of them. You excited? Look. Oh, this guy's going on. Okay. Freeze the knee.
One blustery day in the 100 Acre Wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Happy Wednesday!
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Heffalumps and Tigger. Heffalumps and Woozles. Heffalumps and Woozles. Steal honey. Beware. Beware. Heffalumps and Woozles. Heffalumps and Woozles. Sincere. Beware. I have a lot of rules. It's very confusing. I have a lot of rules. Very smart. They come with conclusions, but if they're so true, I want to see them multiply. Large, strong, and new. So be ready. What a wonderful dream!
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday!
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hooray!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pooh! Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is. The wonderful thing about Jesus, take you to bed with presents.
Oh,